ghost ship mystery of the MV Joyita. In 1955, the MV Joyita set sail from Samoa, carrying 25 passengers and crew. The radio was tuned to the Maritime distress channel, yet no SOS was sent. All life jackets were untouched, and the ship's logbook was eerily blank. Half of the cargo, including medical supplies, mysteriously gone. Was it pirates, an accident, or something more sinister? No signs of conflict or struggle remained. With no conclusions, the fate of the crew remains one of the greatest maritime mysteries. The MV Joyita drifts eternally, a testament to secrets of the ocean that may never surface.